Welcome to ScreenShorts, the channel that make tech easy with quick and simple tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to change region or country on Instagram. So let's start the process. First of all, open your Instagram app. After it opens, you will see your profile icon at the right bottom. Tap on your profile icon. Now tap on these three lines which are at the right top. Tap on the first option, settings and privacy. Scroll it down and tap on the option account type and tools. Now simply tap on the first option, switch to professional account. Tap on continue. Select the best thing which you want for your business account. Like I am selecting the health and beauty. After selecting, if you want to display this on your business profile, then turn it on. Or if you don't want, let it be off, but I am turning this on. After selecting, tap on done. Now choose one option, like I choose business, then tap on next. So from here you can change your region. Like you see +92, it's Pakistan phone number code. So for changing your region or country, tap on business address. Select here town and city, like I am selecting London, California. Enter the postal code. If you don't know, you can search the postal code for that city from Google. Like the postal code of California is. Also put the street address. After writing everything, tap on option save. Now if you want to display this on your contact info, then turn it on. You can also skip this one and tap on the option next. Connect this with your Facebook account. It's up to you, but I am not connecting this with my Facebook account. Set up your professional account by your own, then your professional account has been created. But for now I am turning off this one. So as you see, for my business account, my street address is London, California. So by this way, you can change your region or country on Instagram app for your business account. Join the ScreenShorts squad and never miss out on easy to follow tech tutorial again. Hit the subscribe button.